Okay, student, today we will discuss the next part of your exercise that was left, that is to insert rational numbers in between two given rational numbers. So today's topic is to insert rationals in between two rational numbers. You know, there are altogether three methods to insert rationals in between two given rationals. So method 1. Suppose given rationals are A and B. So there are two rationals A and B. If you want to insert one rational in between these two rationals, you just find out the average of it. So first rational inserted, what you will do? You just add these two rational divided by 2. You know very well this method. To insert any number, the average of these two number will be the number that lies in between these two. That means in this case A is lesser than A plus B by 2 and A plus B by 2 is lesser than B. So this A plus B by 2 lies in between the two rational A and B. So now the series become A comma A plus B half of A plus B. A plus B by 2 means half of A plus B comma B. So this one number is inserted. Clear? Should I remove it? So for inserting one rational in between these two rational, this way you can find out. Okay. Now, if you want to, in this method, you can find out comfortably up to 3 rationals to be inserted in between A and B. Suppose given rational are A and B. So your first rational you have inserted, first rational, in between them is your half of A plus B. Now the series is A comma here 1 by 2 A plus B comma again B. So 1 is inserted. Now you see, you want to find out 2 more. That means 3 rational. So in now what you will do, in between this first and middle one, again here you can insert 1. And in between this mid one and the last one, here also you can insert 1. So there are 2 more rational can be inserted. So second rational is your half of the sum of A plus half of A plus B. This is the second rational that you will be inserted in between the first and the mid one. Okay, and I have to remove it. And the third rational in between mid one and the last one is your third rational is half of the sum of half of A plus B plus plus your b. You add middle one and the last one and take half of it. Then the series become, now the series become in sequence, series become a comma half of a plus half of a plus b, bracket close. Now the middle one, half of a plus b, comma, and the third one, this is first, this is second, this is third, and another is again bracket, half of a plus b, bracket close, then comma, b last one. So here you have inserted, this is your first, this is your second, this is your third, and this a was the given and this b was also given. A and b was given and you have inserted first, second and third. So in this way, in this method, first method, you can insert 3 rational maximum. Okay? Should I remove it? So if the rational to be inserted is more than 3, then what will happen? What you will do? For more than 3, what you have to do? There are 2 methods. First, you have to find out the equivalent rational. You have to find out the equivalent rational, and then by finding equivalent rational, second method is by finding equivalent rational having same denominator equivalent. You have to find out the equivalent rational having same denominator, and then for getting larger values you can multiply 10 and then multiply multiple of 10, 100, 1000, like that. Again you will able to get. Let us take an example. Suppose you have to insert your given number. Suppose you have to insert rational in between 2 given rational. Okay. Suppose your given rational, example, given rational is your 3 and 4. Given rational is 3 and 4. What you will do? 3 means 3 by 1, 4 means 4 by 1. So 3 by 1 into 10 into 10. So this 3 can be written as 30 by 10. Similarly, this 4 by 1 can be 4 into 10 by 1 into 10, means this is 40 by 10. So in between 30 having the same denominator 10, so in between 30 and 40 you can insert 9 rational, that is, so rational inserted are, suppose in between, this is your 30 by 10, this is the given one, so 31 by 10, 32 by 10. So in this way, your last one is 39 by 10 and the last one is your 40 by 10. So from 1 to 9, 9 rational you have inserted by multiplying simply 10. You can multiply 100 also to get the another value. Okay, you have got it. Now third method. That you can say, suppose your given rational is your third method. Suppose by finding the difference between the given rational. Now, okay, third method is by finding the difference given, as for example, given rationals are A and B. Okay, you have to find out, suppose you have to find out n rational to be inserted. To insert n number of rationals. So you first find out the difference. Difference is your B minus A, because here B is greater than A. Second rational is more than that of your A. Clear? Then here D equals, you have to find a value D, that is B minus A by, and your number of rational to be inserted is your n. So you put n plus, you find the ratio, that ratio is termed as your D. Difference divided by n plus 1, where n is the number of rational to be inserted. Clear? So now the number of rationals, rationals inserted in this case is your A plus n into B minus A by n plus 1. In this way, by putting different values of D, you can able to get your answer by adding your this ratio with your first. Here, for finding the consecutive rational number, you are multiplying with n. So A plus n into the difference of second and first divided by n plus 1, you will get your value, where n maybe stands for 1, 2, 3, ... like that. So that means, suppose first rational you want to insert. So n can be written as your 1. So 1, or here n is your 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so denominator is 2, and the difference is B minus 1 by 2. That is to be added with your A. Okay, that means half of the difference will be added with your A, then you will get the second, first rational to be inserted in between A and B. Okay, now I will give one example of it. Okay, I will give you one example of it. Suppose, let us consider 2 two rationals are 3 and 4. So here given rational is your 3 and 4, and by using that formula that right now I had discussed, if you want to insert 5 rational, you just use the formula. Here first rational, here n equal 5, to insert 5 rational. Okay, so your first rational is, first rational inserted is your a plus n into b minus a by n plus 1. This is your formula. So here a is your 3 plus 1, here 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3 by 1 plus 1 means this is your 4 minus 3 is your 1, 1 into 1 is your 1, so 3 plus, and this is your 2, so that means this is your 2 is your LCM, 6 plus 1, so that is your 7 by 2. So your first rational inserted in this case is your 7 by 2. Now second rational, put your n equal to 2, this is your 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 1, so that means 3 plus, this is your 2 into 1 by 3, take LCM, LCM is your 3, that means here it is 9 plus 2, so this is your 11 by 3, this is your 11 by 3, this is your second rational inserted. Now if you want to insert third rational, third rational is your 3 plus 3, 4 minus 3 by 3 plus 1. Okay, so this is your 3 plus 3 into 1 by 4. So that means 3 plus 3 by 4 means 4. Here it is 12 plus 3. This is your 15 by 4. So this is your 15 by 4. This much is your third rational. Now fourth rational. Again you apply the formula. Fourth rational inserted. 3 plus, here the formula 4 means 4 into 4 minus 3, that is n into b minus a by n, 4 plus 1, n plus 1. So again this is your 3 plus 4 into 1 by 5. So here the LCM is 5. So this is your 15 plus 4, that is your 19 by 5. This is your fourth rational. Now fifth rational is your 3 plus 5 into 4 minus 1 by 5 plus 1. So that means this is your 3 plus 5 into 1 by 6. So finally LCM is your 6. This is your 18 plus 5. So this is your final answer is 23 by 6. So this method is very simple by using the formula a plus n into b minus a, the difference between the given rational, where b should be greater than a, divided by m plus 1. Then you have find out the value. Okay, thank you very much.